All right, now before we get started on our game logic, we're going to want to go over comments. What are comments? Comments are pieces of text that you write as descriptions in your code that help you to either outline functionality you would like to accomplish or to detail what you have already done. Now the way that you make a comment is just as so with two forward slashes. This tells the program, hey, this is just some kind of descriptive text. And you're not going to interpret this as JavaScript. So even if we were to put some kind of JavaScript in here, none of it is being recognized as actual code. As you can see, it's all this nice comment green color. Now, let's say we need a lot of this. Well, we can make what's called a multi-line comment. The way that you create this is a forward slash, an asterisk, and another asterisk, and another forward slash. Now, you can have as many lines as you need for as long as you want. That way, you can write extended descriptions for if you have some really complicated logic in your program. We're not going to be getting super complicated in here, but if you ever do need to, you can have plenty of space to write out this information and take notes. I also do recommend that throughout this course you take notes in your code in the form of comments as we go along.